This video is sponsored by Plugin Boutique. Today we're going to talk about mid-range, and more specifically the new plugin by Newfangled Audio, Fixate Mid-Range. I think this is a really great example for using this plugin in a practical setting. We've got a few MIDI tracks like layered on top of each other, and this can kind of like equate to just like clutter or mud or resonant frequencies. Alright, so here we are. We got the user manual. So by default it's set to automatic mode, and the plugin identifies and corrects mid-range problems on its own. No reference material, no calibration, no setup. Insert it, play your audio, and press fix. I feel like if you have a similar process to the way that I make stuff, where you just want to do like the creative work and you don't really like want to focus on the mix necessarily too much, like you obviously want to do what you can to make it sound good, but the finer details sort of get skipped over when it comes to like ideation. So like a lot of the time I'm just like trying to create ideas very quickly and just add like textures and sounds. This is where I kind of think that this type of technology can help a lot, because it can just sort of like automate and clean up what you're doing while you're doing it, and then you can just check over it. Like you can either go in and tweak it, or you can bypass it and see what it's doing. If it's useful, use it, and if it's not, it's not. So I've just got this one set to automatic, and basically what it's going to do is identify and correct any problems in the mid-range. So it's just analyze the signal, and then I can hit fix based off what it's decided needs to be changed. And you can see down the bottom here, all these parameters have changed based on how it's interpreted the audio. So we've got these parameters down the bottom that it's just adjusted. So it fixes resonant frequencies, and then we also have the EQ balance that it adjusts. We can adjust any of these parameters, like tweak them how we want, or we also have the EQ. So we've got it set to balanced. This is like the fixed signal, and then we got the original audio, which is unaffected. So you can kind of adjust what the plugin's giving you. Then if we go right up the top here, we have like a full dry wet of the mix. That's affecting both the EQ balance and the resonant frequencies that it's fixing. We can also go up the top here, and there's a lot more like presets. So specifically if you're using this for like an instrument, there's guitars, keys, other solo instruments like vocals and stuff, and then all of our mastering. So let's keep adding to this melody and we'll adjust the plugin. I'm also curious to see what it does on the master, so I'll do that once I add the drums in as well. This is normally where I'll do my soft clipper, so I'm going to turn them off. I'll still do them, but I'm going to put Fixate Mid-Range first. I just found this preset in the mastering folder called Modern Rap, so I'm just going to apply that, and I'll play back the beat with and without it bypassed so you can see the difference. Alright, so that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you want to get your hands on Fixate Mid-Range. I'll also put this project file up on my Patreon, so feel free to check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.